All right, guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We are at Target, we're going to be at CVS, and we are going to be at Walgreens. I'm about to show y'all how to get the home household essentials you need and be able to take advantage of a little bit of a discount because, guys, things are expensive these days, and if we want to keep getting our candles and stuff, might as well get your household items for dirt cheap. So Target was doing a deal. You spend $50 on house care items, you get a $15 gift card. This is a great time to stock up on things that you need for your house. Plus, we were getting money back with Ibotta for Windex products, for the scrub and bubbles, the laundry stuff that I showed you for the shout. Pledge, so many items was giving cash back, and they were doing a weekend bonus as well. So I went ahead and loaded up my cart with $50 worth of items. I took advantage of using Ibotta, Fetch. I used Swagbucks. I used Coupon 51 as well. So if you're not familiar with these apps, y'all need to get familiar, because I end up spending out of pocket for everything that I'm going to show you that ended up in my cart. It came up to $51.50 before tax, and then I got the $15 gift card, which I turned around to use to get a few food items that normally aren't on sale. The food items end up giving me money on Fetch. Plus, again, I got a whole bunch of money back with Ibotta and the other apps. So this was definitely a win over at the Target. And if you use Swagbucks and stuff like that, they had so many options with the Palmolive that was seasonal and all that. But let's go ahead and go over to CVS. CVS, I was working with $34 of extra care bucks I already had. So everything I'm about to show you from the CVS, I paid nothing. But I did want to show you guys that CVS has a lot of different options too. And then when you're rolling bucks, you know what I mean? And a breakdown for what I did at CVS will be out. If it's not currently out, it'll be out in the short form so you're able to see it. But when you're rolling these rewards is when you can have the lowest out of pocket and you're able to get things for your home. I know we show a lot of times shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that, but no, household items can be purchased and you can have things that your home actually needs, because we only can have so many shampoo and conditioners. It kind of gets old and redundant, I know, at some point, especially with toothpaste. Like toothpaste right now is starting to become my arch enemy, even though it just gives the best out of pocket deals. But look at this. Lysol on sale, $4.49. You buy $15 worth. You do get a $3 extra care buck. That's a real good deal. They had the scrub and bubbles there too. They even had the Windex and stuff like that. Windex last week was buy one, get one half off. Some Windexes still have the buy one, get one half off. It just, I don't know if it has the extra care bucks attached with it anymore. But they had a deal last week on the Bona. It may still be in your app if you have it on Ibotta, $32.99. I did this deal last week. I had extra care bucks that covered it. I got $10 back in extra care, had a 40% off coupon, and I got $10 back with Ibotta. I paid $11 out of pocket, but got $20, so $9 profit. Things like that always make a difference when we're rolling our rewards. $12.99 for this right here. That's a great deal. It's going to last a family quite some time. You don't have to stockpile. You don't have to stockpile. That's if you want to, or it's enjoying to you and you like to give back and you like to take care of multiple people. I like to take care of my household. I like to take care of my mom's household, and I like to donate. And I found it's easier to donate this way versus Bath and Body Works, because people have allergies and stuff like that. So I find it easier to donate this way to give people essentials they need. But this is what I end up picking up. I did get money back with Ibotta with this on the all. So that was a win. And I left out of there with $11 in extra care bucks. So they basically paid me to shop and use my extra care books. Like, a win is a win. Now we're over to the Walgreens. They didn't have a lot of deals that really interest me this week, but I did have 2 gift cards from a previous transaction, had some register rewards that were about to expire, and I had a $7 paper booster that I had to use. If you spend $35, you get $7 in Walgreens cash. And I'm explaining to you how Walgreens cash works in just a second, but the Essentials was on sale for $4.99. It had a dollar off coupon, made it $3.99. Also, I did the beauty event deal where if you spend $25, you did get a $10 store coupon. So all these items together at regular price, these items did get me to $35 when I added a piece of candy. So it did give me over my total. Now, when it comes to these paper boosters, you don't have to physically spend $35. The manufacturer coupons count towards the total. And if you have register rewards, it brings down your total as well. So I did have $12 in manufacturer coupons, 6 from each one of those sets of OGX. Plus, I had that dollar coupon off the bounty. Plus, I had my register rewards in those 2 gift cards. So this whole transaction only cost me $4 and some change. I got the $7 in Walgreens cash that I used for my next transaction, which was 2 of these Colgates. Then I got a $5 register reward for the Colgates, which I went ahead and used the $5 register reward and the $10 store coupon from the beauty purchase to do this final transaction that only cost me a penny. You see what I'm saying, guys? Only a penny. So the Purex was on sale for $1.99, and they had an Ibotta app where you got 50 cents back for the liquid and 50 cents back for the pods. So I took advantage of doing that as well. So you're getting money on top of money, especially when these are costing you nothing. I got 3 of the waters for $8.99 because we needed water. So I went ahead and stocked up on that. And again, this was all part of my penny purchase. Now, these were on sale for $2.79. You can mix and match and get whatever 3 you wanted. I got 2 of the sandwich bags, 1 of the storage bags, and this is going to last my family for some time, y'all. This is going to last us a little bit of time. So this is what my cart is looking like. And then I added a Scott. The Scott had a coupon on it as well. Just so y'all can see, I'm telling the truth. 1 cent was my subtotal submitted to the Walgreens for the laundry stuff, and 1 cent for all of this. And that's why it's important that you're couponing, getting your best deals, because I mean, good googly muggly, under $5, and I got all the stuff I showed you from Walgreens. That's how you coupon. And these are the 2 things that I use, that $10 and that $5, just so we are very, very, very transparent around here. Guess how much I spent on everything right here that I just hauled today. Everything I got today.
Now, $28.
$28. Let's see. Now, Gracie Poo was off, y'all. My net spend amount was only $9.40 after using my Ibotta, my Fetch, my Swagbucks, my Checkout 51. Y'all, I'm going to leave the information to all the apps below because that money coming back to you matters, okay? It really matters. So for the price of just those 3 waters, okay, with tax, I was able to buy all these things that's going to be for my house, my mama house, if she needs things, my fiance, if he needs things, and to help my community. And when I start selling and doing the stockpile sales and stuff like that, I'll be able to sell items as well. Come on, man. Tell me you ain't winning. This is so much cheaper than Dollar Tree. And I used to spend so much money with Dollar Tree. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I was overspending like crazy, $40 at a time at Dollar Tree, when I just got all these items right here for $9.40. And that's the wow factor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you want to know how to save on anything, just let me know. If y'all want me to do a food video next, I can, because we need more money for our candles. We need money for our candles and the things that we really like to splurge on ourselves. So when our essentials are cheap, we can splurge a little bit harder on ourselves. So definitely let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.